Hello, welcome. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Programming Academic channel. So today we are going to study these input forms with the HTML, guys. So guys, let's get to start to see using all these input forms. You can use all these input forms. So don't forget, guys, to see these all input forms to use. Okay, so with the mouse, hiding point, date time, date, color, pattern. So this all you can use. Okay, so yeah, let's go to our code so you can see. Guys, today we have here I put it this input name and value, your name, and the input type password. So let's get to save. Then go to the browser and you can see it. Let me to show you guys to see on the browser here. Here we have a browser name called Adam, password for 12345. Even you can watch here, you can see here the number you can hide. So it's the import for go to do something else, and also you can learn more. So the same way, this name, I go to change this one to 8 to save. Let's go back to the browser again. I think page here we have the 8th of year. So yeah, in the way you can use the HTML forms. So all that what I show you, so you can use the same way to create your own uh info. Okay, thank you and see you next tutorial. Okay, don't forget that you appreciate likes and subscribe. So I want to make more videos, more tutorials like this one. Okay, thank you. See you on the next